Hey Gotians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. In this video tutorial, I will be covering ISTEXT, ISNUMBER, maximum and minimum value functions. These are very easy commands but are very helpful in solving the real-time issues as I did. So first, finding out whether they are text or not. Equal to ISTEXT, brackets open, clicking the cell, brackets closed, enter. So Jack is a text. Dragging the cell will also copy the formula. Again, equal to ISTEXT, brackets open, clicking the cell, brackets closed, enter. 3719 is not a text and this will be true. Now finding out whether they are number or not. So equal to ISNUMBER, brackets open, Jack, brackets closed, enter. So Jack is not a number. Dragging the cell will also copy the formula. Again, equal to ISNUMBER, brackets open, selecting the cell, brackets closed, enter. 3719 is a number and this will be false. Now finding out the maximum value among the list. Equal to max, brackets open, selecting the range, brackets closed, enter. 860 is the maximum value in this list. Finally, finding the minimum value. Equal to min, brackets open, selecting the range, brackets closed, enter. So 2 is the minimum value among the list. Though it is very clear from the data, 860 is the maximum value and 2 is the minimum value, but they are very useful when the data is huge. In the next video tutorial, we will be covering how to copy the formula, and this will help a lot of users. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.